Hello guys, welcome to my channel Roaming Devi. Right now it is 9 p.m. South Africa time. I'm in Cape Town. It's not very cold today, but still I'm very hungry and I need to prepare something very quick in 10-15 minutes so that I can have my dinner quick and I can go and take rest. Okay, so today I plan to prepare a quick recipe called Capsicum Paneer. Paneer, it's a Hindi term and it is called the cottage cheese, which you can prepare yourself. There's a different video, or in YouTube you can search. And capsicum, as you know, the pepper, which normally in Cape Town they say pepper, the green pepper I've chosen, but you can choose even red or yellow pepper based on your taste. You can, but the process remains same actually. Okay, so let me tell you what are the ingredients quickly for this recipe, Capsicum Paneer. And before that, if you're new to my channel is not a food blog, just I'm preparing these quick recipes as a separate playlist to help the people who are staying abroad alone and who are really fond of Indian dishes. So I'm giving these quick recipes which they can prepare it in their day-to-day busy schedule staying in abroad. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button of my channel. And for all other playlists like travel blogs, various areas where I visited, you can check my other videos of my channel. Okay, so let's go back and show you the items which are going to be used for the capsicum paneer. And yes, one more thing I forgot to tell you, that every time I say in the video, if you are not able to understand English, if you are different part of world like German or Spanish, or even you are a person from India, Hindi speaking person who don't understand English, you can go to the YouTube settings, go to the audio track, select the preferred 9 languages available. You can understand whatever I speak. Okay, so let's quickly go back and show you the items, or I can say the ingredients which are used for the capsicum paneer. So the most important part of capsicum paneer is paneer, that is a cottage cheese which I'm using. This is already ready-made available cottage cheese in Cape Town, which I'm purchasing. This one is the company which I'm purchasing, Jolly's Kitchen Paneer, and this is what I'm using for my day-to-day paneer related items. So this is one important item. Let me go back and show you 2 other important items for this capsicum paneer. I have chopped pepper, that is the capsicum. I have chopped tomato, and I have some fine slices of onion. So these are the 3 important items for capsicum paneer. So that's it. These are the 4 items. Let me quickly start preparation of my capsicum paneer, and it's just going to take me 10 to 15 minutes to complete this capsicum paneer. I can have with a frozen roti which I have, or I can prepare roti for myself. I don't have time today to prepare roti. I have frozen rotis which we get normally in Cape Town. So you can have with even rice also. You can have with any other side dish. Even use frozen rotis, which is a quick recipe. Within 15 minutes your dinner is ready. Grab it. Just enjoy the dinner. The first step which I'm going to do is to fry the cottage cheese pieces, I mean the paneer pieces, on a frying pan or on a hot oil, and then I'll keep it aside. That is the first step. Let me switch on the burner. Now let me put 2-3 spoons of sunflower oil to make it little bit heat. The first thing is I need to fry the paneer on the oil and keep it aside. So the paneer cubes almost little bit brownish, so now I can remove it. So I'll keep it in a different container. I need to be a bit careful, otherwise the paneer pieces will get broken into pieces. So it's very soft. So depends on the quality of the paneer what you get. Okay, if it is really good quality, it will be very soft, and this paneer is really good quality, so it is bit soft. So yeah, ready. So let me remove this also. All this leftover paneer pieces I can just put it side. I can use it later, actually not a problem. So now I need to put little oil. So this takes little time in terms of this frying this paneer. Little bit takes time. If it is a frying pan or non-stick frying pan, it will be very easy. I'm just putting one or I can say 2 spoons of 3 or 3 spoons of oil. Now once it is hot, I will add this the cumin seeds little bit. So I'll just test first whether it is very hot or not. Yeah, it's almost hot, so I'll just add half a spoon of cumin seed or little less. Yeah, that's it. Okay, a little bit I'll make the burner on medium flame just to make this quick. I mean this cumin seed. Now the cumin is little dark color, then I can add now all the onions into this. The chopped onion which I had. Okay. So let me mix the onion. A little bit I'll increase the flame. Not very high, but not even very low. Just in the middle I'll keep the flame so that the onion can get into the brownish color. So I am preparing little bit more actually because I am preparing for tomorrow's lunch also, because I have a very important meeting tomorrow morning. So I will not get time to prepare my lunch again. So that's why I am preparing for tonight and for tomorrow. That's why I put so much of onion. Otherwise, only half slice of onion is enough for a dinner for one person. Okay. So let me cover it for some time so that it can quickly get a little bit fried. One thing you have noticed, I sliced the onion little bit in lengthy size, not very finely chopped. You can see this is the way how I have chopped the onion, just to give a nice flavor while eating. And the more little thinner and lengthy, it is going to add more good taste to your recipe actually. So it's almost going to brown. In the meantime, I also need one important thing. This is the garlic ginger paste. You can use any garlic ginger paste. Even you can prepare garlic ginger paste and keep it in your fridge. But I am purchasing ready-made garlic ginger paste, which you can get in any retail stores. In Cape Town, I get it in Checkers, in Indian stores, in Pick and Pay. I get everywhere. Okay, I'm going to use 2 spoons of this actually, the garlic ginger paste. Okay, so once the onion is little bit brownish color, then I'm going to remove the cover and I'm going to add this garlic ginger paste. In the meantime, I can add 2 spoons of, I can say, garlic ginger paste. This should be enough. I'll just salute the garlic ginger paste with onion. The moment you add this garlic ginger paste with onion, the smell starts coming actually. That's the beauty of Indian style of food, and this is where this mixture starts the actual flavor. So you have to mix it very nicely. Okay, and sometimes depending, as I told in other food blogs also, if you need to add a little water just not to get burn out the items, then you can add little water also. It should not be too dry, then it will get burned out. So rather just make sure that it should not be too dry. And now just little 2-3 drops of water and just stir it little bit. Okay, but if you use a frying, like say non-stick frying pan, there will be no issues with that. So let me cover it for some time, for 1 minute at least. Now I can add the capsicum pieces, the pepper pieces, which I already shown you from the beginning of the video. So now I can mix it properly. so that the entire garlic, onion, ginger paste should properly mix with this capsicum, and I can say the cut pieces of pepper. I can cover it for at least 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, after 2 minutes, now I'm removing the container. Let me mix it a little bit. If it is too dry, you can add 1 or 2 drops of water if it is required, or else you can see I might need little drop of water to not to get the onions burn out. If it is very thin onion cut pieces, then you need to be also be careful. Okay, so now to this mix I will add the chopped tomatoes. This I will mix it here. So for one person, half pieces, I can say half piece of medium tomato size is fine, because I'm preparing for dinner and lunch. That's why I'm putting the entire one tomato in there, but it depends on your taste. You can even add more tomato if you like tomato to it. Even you can add sauce to it, tomato sauce, any sauce which you prefer, you can even add to that. So there is various flavors of this capsicum paneer. I'm just showing it the very easy way. In 10-15 minutes your capsicum paneer will be all ready actually. I can keep it close for 2 minutes. It's just 2 minutes over, not overcooked, little bit, just to give the flavor of garlic, onion, tomato, everything into the capsicum flavor. Okay, so now to this I will add 2-3 important spices actually, in terms of like I need to add little turmeric powder. Okay, then I'll add now after turmeric powder I will add little bit coriander powder. Half a spoon is fine. Okay, then I will add salt based on your taste as you like. Yeah, I can add little red chili also. I don't prefer that much chili, so I'm adding little bit less for myself, but if you need based on your appetite for spicy food, you can add it accordingly. So these are the 3 important things I've added: turmeric powder, coriander powder, little salt and red chili. Also I have added little jeera powder, but it is not mandatory, it's just my taste. Even if you want, you can even add, make it more nice, you can even add chaat masala, which I can even add little bit of that. So as I've told you, there are 4 things I'm adding it. One is the coriander powder, then I'm adding little bit turmeric then powder, then I'm adding salt, I'm adding little jeera powder. It's not needed, these 3 things is enough, but just for my flavor I've added little bit jeera powder, and I'm adding this chaat masala. You can see this chaat masala. This is not mandatory. I'm just making it a little bit more, spiced and aromatic to it, but this is not mandatory. I'm just adding it for taste. But if you really want, you can add even chaat masala. If you want more, nice taste, you can add even little bit tomato sauce also. That's also good taste. Or based on your choice of sauce, you can add little bit of that. I'm not adding that, but I'm just telling you about this. I've already mixed up all the paneer, the cottage pieces which was already there into this mix of to the onion, capsicum, all those which I've shown you. I've already mixed the paneer. So now you can see how it is coming out like this. It's almost like a reddish color. The paneer is looking yellowish in that. The smell is coming very aromatic, very nice smell. I'm already having saliva in my mouth, believe me. Paneer is a very favorite and very popular item in India. So in this winter season with hot capsicum paneer with hot roti, that will be really great to have a nice dinner. Even you can have it with rice also for your lunch, or even with dinner if you prefer to. Okay, so let me cover it for some time so that the flavor can go well. So after this 2-3 minutes, the capsicum paneer is all ready to eat. Even you can add little sauce if you really want to make it more, you can say spicy or more rich. Then you can add little bit of your favorite sauce into that, like tomato sauce or any sauce which you want. I don't wanted to add that. It's already very rich. I've added the chaat masala, which should not be just for my taste. I've added. It is not recommended. It will be very rich in eating this. So this is very quick, right? So I hope you like this video, and this is a very quick capsicum paneer which I'm really going to enjoy my dinner tonight. So I hope you will also prepare it and share your comments in my blog, and I hope to see you in my next video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button of my channel, and also switch on the notification button so that anything if I upload you'll get a notification. Okay, your support is very important for my channel to grow, and see you in my next blog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.